Hi there, my name is Julie. I'm a 2 Comma Club winner and funnel builder coach here at ClickFunnels. And today I want to bring you a funnel story about Zach. Now, Zach is a network marketer, and like a lot of network marketers, Zach had a hard time getting new people to sign up for his company. So he would call friends and family 500 times, trying to get them to enroll or join. He blew through that list pretty quickly, realized he needed to find new people, and so he would go after work from 5 to 8. He'd go meet strangers at gas stations, Target, Walmart. Each week, he'd have to talk to about 50 to 70 new people, and he'd enroll about 1 new distributor per month. His business was 100% offline, and about 35 hours a week outside of his job for 6 years, his gross income was about $1,000 per month. So to say he was frustrated, angry, resentful, and felt like a complete and total failure was an understatement. He hated telling his mom that success was just around the corner and receiving a sympathetic look in place of what should be looks of wonder and encouragement. So one day he stumbled upon an ad for .com Secrets, which is a book by Russell Brunson, the CEO of ClickFunnels. He tore through it in 2 days, and it was so angry he had never heard any of it before. This was really an aha moment for him because he realized no matter how good of an in-person recruiter he might be, he could only get through about 10 presentations per week at max. And what these funnel people were doing, he could do thousands per day. And even if he sucked at presenting, he would still destroy the pro recruiter out of sheer numbers. So this was his moment where he decided to use ClickFunnels. So here's Zach's funnel. You can see that his whole goal was to build his downline. And so he has a free plus shipping offer here on step 1, the perfect MLM script. Then he upsells an instant cold contacting hacks course or program, and then one more where it says perfect retention secrets. He uses a little scarcity here, and on the thank you page, he delivers the product. So this is his funnel. This is how he generates leads to build out his team. So the average person who comes through his funnel spends about $27 in his funnel. We call that average cart value. He's sold about 1,000 units of this program. And what he does is he promotes his MLM opportunity throughout all the emails and in the training, and it's enrolling approximately 30 people a month to his team. So this is crazy. Not only did he completely change his business forever by bringing it online through sales funnels, Zach did not need to know code or fancy design. He didn't need to hire a tech team or a marketing team. He didn't have to waste time or money. And, for someone who had a 9-to-5 job, he didn't have very much time. In fact, he's been able to quit his 9-to-5 after using sales funnels. So, like Zach, if you're looking to build out your downline through a simple free plus shipping offer where you give them a chance to buy more and more throughout the funnel before they finish their purchase. Or maybe you're just trying to sell more product in your company. I wanted to show you Russell's Funnel Fridays. This is what we call a demo funnel, and it is perfect for network marketers. In fact, in the network marketing space, we call this a home party funnel, where every week you go live, you use YouTube Live or Facebook Live, and you have people subscribe and you demo your product just like you might at a home party. And then underneath, you can sell the product. In some cases, you can also ask all of your viewers to bring their friends the next week. And so whether you're trying to sell product or build your downline, these funnels change the game for network marketers. So if you are ready to start your free 2-week trial of ClickFunnels to see how simple sales funnels can help you generate leads online for your network marketing business, click the button to get started below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time on another funnel story.